forward to this seminar's conclusive outcome for the benefits and mutual good of all people living in the Asia Pacific region at large. Lastly, on behalf of the people and the Parliament of Pakistan, I wish success to all the learned members of Parliament from the Asia Pacific region, the parliamentary delegations, all national as well as international dignitaries and area experts attending the third regional seminars for the Asia Pacific region Parliament on achieving the SDGs. I look forward and hope the outcome document of the seminar will surely provide concrete way forward on all of the crucial themes under discussion, especially with regards to the dire threat of global climate change that endangers people beyond borders and nationalities. Long live our continued passion and joint endeavors towards an integrated set of way forward for implementation of SDGs besides the challenges posed by natural calamities, man-made disasters, and the COVID-19 pandemic. I thank you all once again, ladies and gentlemen. Pakistan Zindabad. Well, I have been, honorable guests, I bring into your kind notice that we have discussed with the IPU president to bring emergency agenda item at the next IPU General Assembly in Rwanda to highlight developing countries of endanger of climate change, negative effects on their economies, and responsibility of the rich nations to take corrective actions. And I am grateful to the President that he has accepted to help us to bring this agenda item. Thank you very much.
YouTube पर Googly TV देखने के लिए youtube.com की सर्च बार में Googly TV टाइप करें। Googly TV के पेज पर सुर्ख रंग के सब्सक्रिप्शन वाले बटन पर क्लिक करना ना भूलिए। YouTube पर अपलोड होने वाली वीडियो से बाखबर रहने के लिए बेल आइकॉन पर क्लिक कीजिए। आपको हर नई आने वाली वीडियो के बारे में नोटिफिकेशन मौसूल हो जाएगा।